Hi everyone, welcome back, and today is the 29th of April 2021 and I've been really busy these few weeks, so I've been doing a little bit less video. But in today's video, I will tell you how to buy ARK fund for 20% of the market value by selling a put option. So let us take a look at the trading. In fact, I have sell a put option on the ARK Innovation ETF, but that is not today. That was a few days ago, on the 22nd of April. I sell it for 135. Of course, now the market is not going anywhere for the ARK fund, ARKK. So the premium has dropped, and I did another trade, was actually Unity. I sell it at the money. So the rest of the trade actually remained the same. I didn't do much trade lately because I was pretty busy. So let's take a look at this ARK Invest Fund, ARKK. So I sell it on the 22nd April, and let's take a look at the chart for the ARK fund on the 22nd of April, and that will be about this day here. So I decided that ARK has come down pretty much from the all-time high of about 160 all the way to 123 or 120, around that level on the 22nd of April. So I decided to sell a put option, and I go for a monthly option. Because there's more premium in the monthly option. So I sell a 105 put option on ARKK. So when the market is at 120, I sell a 105 plus the premium I collected, so my average price is about 103. So that is almost 20% off the market value of the current price, or at the price when I'm selling the ARK. So if the market were to go up, there's no issue. I will get to keep the premium, and next week or next month I will decide what to do again. But if the market were to come down, then I get the ARK fund for 20% of the value, and that is a good thing. I'm more than willing to buy this fund, ARKK, at 105. Of course, we can do the same for any other stock or for other ARK Invest fund, which I haven't have the time to take a look. And that is how we actually sell or get a stock at a huge discount. Probably in another video, I will share with you how to buy the ARK Invest Fund for 50% of the value. If you want to go for 50%, then you probably have to go for a LIPS option. So that I will be touching on it when I did the trade on that, probably in the next 1 or 2 weeks, or maybe the next month. But for now, that is how I do it, buying ARK Invest for 20% of the value. Of course, I may not get it. If I don't get it, that is also a good thing, because that means that the market is going up. And the other trade I did was actually Unity. I sell it right at the money because I make a few rounds of Unity in the previous 2-3 months, so I'm willing to take a little bit of risk. So I did it on the 22nd of April as well. Like I mentioned, I didn't have the time to update the video. I was using my phone to trade. So I did the video only much later, today, a week later. But on the 22nd of April, I sell a 100 put, and let's take a look at the Unity. So this is the Unity chart, and on the 22nd of April, that is about this day here, and the Unity was strike at about $100 range. So I decided to sell a monthly put option because Unity only have a monthly option. So I decided to sell the monthly option for one contract for $5.40. And the last few months, I've been making quite a fair bit from Unity. So I'm pretty okay with Unity. If it drops below 100, my break even for this trade is about 95. And if it drop below 95 or drop below 100, I'll be assigned and I will continue to sell call against it. So I have no issue on that. So that's all for today, and I just tell you how to buy ARK fund for 20% off the market value by just selling a put option. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. I will see you on the next video. And I think it's getting close to the end of the month. I'll probably update a video on Friday or Saturday on my account status, most likely Saturday. Let's see about it, and thank you.